Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Swati and welcome to Discover, Decide, Discuss. Today we are going to discuss on a topic which is health. So, what is health? Health is happening well, life happening well. Health is life's way. If we allow this life function fully, then it's healthy. If we speak in terms of physical health, some people are overworked and they have ill health. Some people are underworked and they have ill health. If we lived on this planet 200 years ago, then we would be doing 20 times more activities than what we are doing right now. Physically, definitely, isn't it? We would be doing all the things with this hand. We would be doing 20 times. I think I'm wrong. 100 times probably. If we were doing that much activity, then we would have told us that okay, take a break, have some rest. Now our body not has been used. Only by using this body we can keep it well. We must use this body. The better we use it, the better it gets. One of the simplest thing about health is that if we use this body in sufficient and in balanced way, then this body has everything to create health for itself. Does it mean to say that's the only thing? Nothing else happened to us. We will be perfect. I would say if we use this body physically, then 80% of the element on this planet would just disappear. 80%. Remaining 20%. Out of this 20, the 10% of the element is because the type of food we are all eating. If we change the food habit, then this 10% of the element also will disappear. Remaining 10% of the element. This has happened because of various reasons. One is karmic, another could be atmospheric, and there are various aspects that has happened in the system which can be looked at. Out of all sick people, if 90% became healthy by using this body and eating proper food, then this 10% of the element could be easily handled. But right now, the volume of element is so big because we are not eating properly, or we are eating way too properly, or because we are not using this body properly. Apart from this, there are other various aspects to the life. As for example, as we do exercise our body. For example, this hand. If we do this 100 times or 1000 times a day for 30 days, for a month, you will notice how wonderful this hand will work. Similarly, if we some exercise do to our heart, then it will work wonderfully. Similarly, we do some exercises to our life energies, then it will work wonderfully. And when these three together works wonderfully, then it's healthy. That's health. That means we just have to use our body, our head, our energies. When these three things are well exercised and in balance, then we are healthy. So, because right now we are enjoying the gadgets, it's really essential to build activities, physical, mental, energies. If we build in, health will come, and when health will come, body working well, our mind working well, our energy supporting these two, making sure nothing goes wrong. That's health. Life happening in full flow. That's health. Health is not an idea. Health is not a medical idea. The medical fraternity and medical knowledge has become essential more and more because we have built unhealthy lifestyle. Never before in the world had the kind of importance to the medicine as it is having today. right? Simply because we have become more and more sedentary. So, we are becoming more and more unhealthy. Dun, dun. We may live longer. You know, it's because of the excessive attention. You know, we can live on tubes for 20 years. Otherwise, nature has its own way, you know, natural selection. But we have made life in a different way. Not that we can go back to those old ways anymore. We cannot. But that doesn't mean 20-year-old have to act as a 60-year-old. Lot of 20-year-old are not able to act or do activities as 60-year-old used to do. You may also have experienced this, right? You know, we humans are perfectly imperfect. So, let's work little bit more on our core. Little bit more. Thank you so much. Until then, bye bye. Thank you. Have a great day. Good night. Bye. But I have heard that there are some health tips according to different cultures and different countries. So, I'm looking forward to it. If you have, and you must be have some health tips, right? I'm looking forward to it. Thank you. Bye bye.